All right, we're gonna do a Belch video, but okay. This is Kunsky McDumpfut's last weekend in her apartment, so
Yep.
we're gonna do this Belch video. And I had this funny comment about the Cubs, and I'm kind of a Cubs fan. I mean, look at all the fucking blue I'm wearing. Hello. So I said,
Brian's a Cubs fan.
oh yeah,
As you can see.
so we got like the Cubbies over here. You can't really see all that well, but there's the Cubs. It's a little painting kind of picture thing.
Stadium picture, couple things.
So I said, being a Cubs fan, I'm gonna start treating the Cubs like I see someone wearing like real fur. I'm just gonna throw red paint on and be like, really, guys, come on.
This is why we can't watch baseball.
This is why we can't have nice things, Sam.
Douche.
Ganoosh.
Yep, Brian and I found a house we're going to be renting over in LaSalle. Moving day was going to be next Friday, but a couple of
Oh shit.
interesting follow-up. But a couple things changed, which is good. And we're going to move in next Thursday now. So last weekend here, and we are doing a Farewelll Belch video. And a tit shot. That's not mine for a change. Oh my god!
Why does my ass always know when we do in a Belch video?
I started chewing a fucking Whopper too.
Oh, note to all y'all out there, do not get in a Belch contest with your best friend. Do not get in a Belch contest with your best friend when you just had a mouthful of cookie and you got this big old Belch coming up and you got cookie coming down. It's like it does not.
I just swallowed a Whopper. That kind of affected me.
She swallowed balls. It does not sound like that. It sounds like.
Pretty much. Oh, duh, my purse. Hello.
Can't go very far without that.
No. Alright, kids.
Fuck you. So are we doing
Let's do the last view in the stairwell.
Gotta unlock the door first.
Yeah, it was unlocked. So I was a dumbass, didn't lock it after you got here. Well, one are windows you open. I am going to kind of miss that a little bit.
So you can spit on people as they come up.
I never got you to throw water balloons at people. That's what I really wanted to do. But awesome acoustics out here to the point where a couple weeks ago when I came over here with Kathy and Bar, door was open. They're waiting in the car for me. That's fine. And neighbor's dog was outside. This dog is deaf as a post. She's kind of cute though. Husky.
Moon. We call her Moon.
I was just a few stairs away from the door right here. I let out a burp so loud the dog got startled. She wasn't even looking my way. She's deaf as a post. I startled a fucking dog from a burp in this stairwell. It started to echo.
Oh shit, hold on. I killed Amy. God damn it.
God, I can't.
Don't judge me.
Don't make the cripple kid fall. What the hell? Okay, let the chocolate go away and then we'll see. Oh my God, it hurts.
I don't even know what the fuck you just said.
I said, oh my God, it hurts.
Only hurts the first time, dear.
I know.
Unless you're kinky.
You know.
Oh my God.
I almost peed myself at the end of that. Almost.
It was not a fumble. It was not a fumble.
my mouth shut for that one.
Hey, Satan.
Yes, darling.
Hello, boys. Hi,
Break it
Crowley.
to you, kitten.
But a whore is a whore is a whore. Why is it every time we do a fucking Belch video, we do supernat balls? It's us.
Bobby's coming back, by the way.
Yes.
Hello. Hi, Nano.
Are we walking?
Oh,
I'm like, what do you have?
hello, stupid. You gotta lock the fucking door. You're the one.
This bitch here with the fucking door open.
Yeah. Stuff happens. Oh my god.
Yes, my child.
Oh my god.
Shut up, Barb. Last one.
Hold up. I know I did it before.
It's like I'm in a rap video. I'm gonna puke.
Please don't. I have enough cleaning to do next week.
Moon, no, damn. Oh, well. So we're taking your car, eh?
I would say 2 separate just in case this happens, so that way
Okay.
I can run.
Right on.